Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's video too. Stay safe.
With people just answering questions. Yeah. Is he haunting? The guy in the Miata. Play with your. Yeah, it's the guy in the Miata. Driving like crackheads today. Yeah. Hey, I mean. Yeah.
Hey, you like to go to hard?
No, hey, that's not us. Hey, that wasn't us. That's not us. That wasn't us.
Master Chief Mario.
4 generations now, starting with Henry. He's the one that
I don't know if he hit me or not. I don't. You need to pull over, dude. I don't even know what his license plate says because it's so up. I don't know what that license plate says, dude. Jesus. You need to, yo.
What the fuck? What the mean? Like, what the mean? What the mean? Stupid? What the this dumbass, bro? What the? Are you kidding me? Got to wear shoes. You have to wear shoes. It's the law. Maybe I should not back up any further. What the heck are they doing? Oh my gosh. They're terrifying me. Oh. Stop! Oh my gosh, they're ridiculous. That's going on the dash cam. What an idiot. It's one thing to be slow.
I drank it and I like puked essentially. It was just, I was just gagging constantly. And it flipped from, this is going to be the greatest thing ever, to why did I think this is so bad? This is awful. Never.
It kind of furthers my curiosity how people can. I got you. Get out the car. Get out the car.
Y'all okay?
Yeah.
Despite close ties to the British Navy, following almost a century of colonial rule, India didn't want to get drawn into the superpower clash of the Cold War. It's just because India believes in a policy known as strategic autonomy. You know how there are some people who are all about brand loyalty and only buy products and nothing.
Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.